Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the expression. This tutorial explains the meaning of the elements of expression in Python. The first one is arithmetic conversions. When a description of an arithmetic operator below uses the pairs, the numeric arguments are converted to a common type. The arguments are coerced using the coercion rules listed at coercion rules. Extension can define their own covariance. If both arguments are standard numeric types, the following concurrence are applied. If either argument is a complex number, the other is converted to complex. Otherwise, if either argument is a floating point number, the other is converted to a floating point. Otherwise, if either argument is a long integer, the other is converted to long integer. Otherwise, both must be plain integers and no conversion is necessary. Now we see the atoms. Atoms are the most basic elements of expression. The simplest atoms are identifiers or literals. Forms enclosed in reverse quotes or in parentheses, brackets or braces are also categorized syntactically as atoms. Here we see the example of atom. Now we see the identifier. An identifier occurring as an atom is a name. When the name is bound to an object, evaluation of the atom yield that object. When a name is not bound, an attempt to evaluate it raises a name error exception. When an identifier that textfully occurs in a class definition begins with two or more underscore character and does not end in two or more underscores, it is considered a private name of that class. Private names are transformed to a longer from before code is generated for them. Literals. Python supports strings, literals and various numeric literals. Here we have see the syntax for the literal. Now we see the parenthesized forms. A parenthesized form is an optional expression list enclosed in parentheses. Parenthesis form is equal to in the bracket expression list. A parenthesized expression list yield whatever that expression list yields. If the list contains at least one comma, it yields a tuple, otherwise it yields the single expression that makes up the expression list. An empty pair of parentheses yield an empty tuple object. Since tuples are immutable, the rules for literals apply. Now we see the list displays. List display is a possibly empty series of expressions enclosed in a square bracket. Now we see the generator expression. A generator expression is a compact generator notation in parentheses. The syntax for generator expression is expression comp4. A generator expression yields a new generator object. Its syntax is the same as for comparison except that it is enclosed in a parenthesis instead of brackets or curly braces. Now we see the string conversion. String conversion is an expression list enclosed in a reverse quotes. String conversion is equal to in the double quoted expression list. A string conversion evaluates the contained expression list and converts the resulting object into a string according to rules specific to its type. These many different types. Thank you, friends.